remote learners. So today we are going to be going over our vocabulary. So our vocabulary is going to be for this unit is property of soil. So we're going to get started with our vocabulary that we have for this unit. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first vocabulary word is clay. So clay is a component of soil made of very tiny grains, sticky and soft when wet, but turns hard when dry. So you can see in this picture, it's harder to see that this is the dry part of the clay. It is, usually if you are digging and you get to a part that is a stickier part, and it's harder to get through, that is going to be the clay. So it's a sticky but soft type of thing. But whenever it turns hard, when it dries, it turns hard. So that is what clay is. Our next one is gravel. So gravel is a component of soil made of small pieces of rock. Pebbles usually has a smooth texture. So gravel, we can see in this picture, they're small little pebbles, like they just said it in their definition. So that is what gravel is. Next is retain. So to hold inside as soil does with water. Sorry. So whenever you see here is the water is being retained inside the pot with the plant. So it is holding that water inside. It is not making the water go out. So it's holding inside with that plant. That is what that is happening there in the picture that we see. Next is sand. Sand is a component of soil made by the weathering of rocks into tiny grains, has a rough and gritty texture. So sand is very, very tiny little pieces that it has, and it's usually by the weathering of rocks. So we have those tiny pieces, and then you can see by the texture it's gritty and rough. So that is sand. Next is soil, a mixture of sand, silt, clay, rock, and humus. So that's plants and animals' remains. So that is what it's talking about when it comes to your vocabulary for soil. Next is topsoil. It's the top layer of the soil. So that's just pretty much straight up top is the top layer of the soil. And we already know what soil is based off of our previous definition. So these are our vocabulary words for this unit for properties of soil. What you're going to do in teams is answer the following questions. And it's going to go based off of giving an example for each vocabulary word. So you're going to give an example for each of them. I know we had pictures, so you can use the pictures and type out. Make sure you're using correct punctuation, capitalization, and sentence structure. So if you're given examples, please make sure you make them into a sentence. So you're giving examples, but you need to have it into a sentence so that you can have a right sentence structure, capitalization, and punctuation. All right, guys, I hope you all have a great day. See you later, guys. Bye.